Hey everybody, Dr. Oliver here for backintelligence.com, and today we're going to go over cervical traction, how to perform it, when to use it, and if you haven't done so yet, click the subscribe button to get access to videos as we put them out. So we're going to go over a traction method you can use at home to try to alleviate some of your neck pain. This is typically good for localized neck pain, sometimes neck pain that radiates down the arm as well. It's really important with these types of exercises, anything involving the neck, especially if you have radicular pain or pain that's traveling down your arm, to make sure it's not exacerbating it. So if you're doing this exercise and you feel it increases the symptoms down your arm, it's just not a good exercise for you and you shouldn't do it and you should have it evaluated. But generally this is a safer exercise as long as it's done properly. So what you're gonna need is some sort of towel or a shirt in this case, and you're just gonna roll it up and get a nice tight roll into it. So the idea here is that you wanna get a nice tight kind of thin roll, and then we're gonna show you what we wanna do. We're gonna have Leon turn a little bit. So the back of your head here, the bony part right here on the back, at the top of your neck, that's right where your occiput is. It's the bottom of your back of your skull. You're gonna place this roll just underneath that. It's gonna be like a little ledge there that you can grab onto. And from there, you're gonna slightly start to straighten your arms as you lift upwards. So the key is that you're getting this upward motion here. You should feel this tension right here in the back of the occiput. You're doing a good job not to shrug up in your shoulders. You want to keep those relaxed and gain that traction. When you get tension into it and it feels okay, you can add a slight flexion of the head. So you're going to look down about 20 degrees and then maintain that pressure for about 20 seconds. So what we're doing is we're taking the spine here and we're trying to just traction it up, separate those areas. Those discs are in there, and if they're causing an issue, they're bulged a little bit, this can cause a lot of relief. So this should feel good to do. Again, no pain. 30 seconds, then you'll relax out of it, and you can repeat that about 3 times. If it feels good and it reduces your symptoms, you can do that several times a day. So again, we're rolling that towel up, or that shirt, we're gonna put it right under the occiput. We're gonna start with a little bit of traction upwards. Good. We're gonna make sure we're not shrugging, and then once you get nice tension on it, then you're gonna slightly tilt the head down a little bit. So a little 20-degree flexion. We're not letting it go too far forward at all. We're just getting a little flexion, and then we're pulling. So if this feels good and you wanna try adding a little lateral flexion, you can do that as well. So have Leon face the camera. So from this position, he can add a little bit of left tilt to his head as he's doing it. You may notice, especially if you have right-sided symptoms in your arm, that this causes a lot of alleviation, whereas the center didn't. Or maybe you would go to the right. You're gonna just go easy and listen to your body. If you feel an increase in symptoms or it causes any irritation to your arms, you're not gonna do it, it's not for you. So start with the middle position, again, 30 seconds. If it seems productive and helpful, stick with it. If it seems like it's not getting to the point, add a little bit of lateral tilt. Start with tilting away from the area of pain. If you had pain on the right, you tilt to the left. And again, if that seems to do better, stick with the left. If it doesn't, you can try the right, but generally going to the side of pain will cause more irritation. But listen to your body. 30 seconds, you can repeat 3 times, and you can do this a few times a day. So see how it does at alleviating your neck pain and some of your radicular symptoms if you have any.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like it and share it with a friend. Also, we'd love to send you 3 posture correction exercises that we've done with Dr. David Oliver. These videos will help correct that forward head and rounded shoulder type of posture that we're all suffering from today. So if you'd like to get those 3 videos, there's going to be a link to get them somewhere here on the video or down below in the description. Go to that page, enter your email, and we'll send you those videos right away.